Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to activate your Capital One debit or credit card. Well, this process is pretty simple. What we need to do is open the Capital One app, as you can see here. And once we've received our card, we'll see a button here that says Activate Now, okay? We're going to click here. And also, well, we can do the same process by choosing, for example, here our Capital One account. If we click here, this will immediately show up, and here we'll be able to click this button that says Activate your debit card, okay? If we click there, the activation process will appear here. All we have to do is simply click the Activate Card button, okay? Now then, here it's going to ask us if we've already received the card. We're going to select that we did receive it if we actually did, right? And then here we're going to swipe to activate. And well, here we simply choose an expiration date, okay? And well, here we choose it, activate it, and that's it. It's fully activated. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.